Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the bricked up stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, half double crochet stitch, back post half double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 half double crochet stitch into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a half double crochet stitch, so you can skip this first stitch. Into each of the next 2, you're going to make 1 half double crochet into each. There's 1 and 2. Now we're going to make a back post half double crochet over this next stitch. So you're going to yarn over, you're going to insert your hook behind your work. So this is the front and then this is the back over here. You're going to insert your hook around that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through behind that stitch. Then yarn over and finish that half double crochet like you normally would. So there's that back post half double crochet stitch. Now you're going to start repeating from these 2 half double crochet stitches here. You're going to skip this stitch because that's the stitch attached to the back post half double. So you're going to start with this one and make a half double crochet. And then make a half double in the next one. Then around this next stitch right here, you're going to make that back post half double crochet. Then you're going to start repeating that sequence again into each of the next 2 stitches, 1 regular half double. Around this next stitch, you're going to make that back post half double crochet. Into each of the next 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet into each. Around this next stitch, you're going to make that back post half double crochet. Into each of the next 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet into each. Around this next stitch, you're going to make that back post half double crochet. Into each of these next 2 stitches, make 1 half double crochet into each. Around this last stitch, you'll make that back post half double crochet. At the end of this row, you're going to have some chains right here. You're going to work 1 half double crochet into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a half double crochet stitch, so you can skip the first stitch. We're going to be working 1 half double crochet stitch into each stitch across, but we're going to be using the back loops of each stitch. So you're going to turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches. This loop right here at the back of each of your stitches is the back loop. So we're simply going to work 1 half double crochet stitch into each of those stitches, only using this back loop. And using this back loop is going to create this ridge along this row right here. At the end of your row, you're going to have some chains over here. These chains counted as a half double crochet, so into the top of those last chains, work a regular half double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the bricked up stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.